Hello everyone, Ryan Carson with Breen Law, and I'm going to talk to you a little bit about wills. 65% of Canadians don't have wills, and more importantly, you as a business owner, and in this case a pharmacy, should really have a will. You have to have one. There's a couple reasons why you want to have wills, and you'd split them up as primary and secondary wills, or corporate and non-corporate will, or a probate, non-probate will. They're all sort of interchangeable and the terminology is very similar. But the purpose of splitting your business assets into one will and your personal and other investment assets into another will is primarily to save you money and tax and probate fees. So what will happen is you put all of your assets outside of the business into a primary will, and that will would have an appointed trustee and beneficiaries and all of your last wishes in it. But then your secondary will, which would be your business assets will deal specifically and entirely all with your corporate assets. So it's convenient that you could have a different trustee, maybe somebody who's familiar with the business or another pharmacist themselves within the pharmacy itself. So that will allow them to have actual business knowledge on how to operate, which is much better for you. But also, and more importantly, you'll be able to take that non-probate will, that corporate will, and you'll be able to avoid filing for probate, and you'll be able to use that will to just keep the business running, keep it operating, keep the cash flow coming in and out, which will be important for your employees. It'll be important for your heirs to your estate. It'll make it much better and more seamless to have the business carry forward from yourself passing away to potential buyers or other successive owners in the pharmacy. But the biggest thing and probably the most important thing is again going back to that piece of avoiding extra costs of probate, which can, depending on how well your business is doing, it could be tens of thousands of dollars in probate fees, which is just an administrative tax. So it's the government getting more of your hard-earned money really for nothing, just an administrative fee. So to conclude, when you're looking at doing your financial plan for yourself and your pharmacy, getting your primary and secondary wills in place, make sure you go and see your lawyer, your accountant, and your financial advisor, and they will make sure the plan is properly instituted and put into place. Thanks very much, and take care.